Audio CD 1, Track 23, Unit 2, Unpacking. Mary and Lisa go to their hotel room. Lisa is unhappy because the airline misplaced her luggage.
We're finally in our hotel room. Cable TV, air conditioning, king-size beds, a refrigerator. This suite is beautiful.
Yeah, but I can't stop thinking about my bags. The airline lost all of my luggage.
Don't worry, Lisa. We can share mine. I packed well, I think.
Okay, what did you pack in your suitcase? Let's open it up and see what you brought.
I have a camera and film, traveler's checks, toiletries, some guidebooks.
Those are some good travel items. But Mary, didn't you pack any clothes?
I think I forgot. Sorry. I hope the airline delivers your suitcase soon.
Oh, this is going to be a terrible vacation. What can we do on vacation with no extra clothes?
That's easy. Shop.